The loudest person in the room is always the weakest. Watch closely. Every powerful man you know either stays silent or speaks in such controlled, measured ways that people lean forward just to hear him. That is not coincidence. It is dark psychology. Your silence right now might be costing you everything, or it could be your greatest weapon. Society tells you to speak up, to be heard, to be loud. Society wants you weak. Secret number 1, the frame effect. Your inner silence broadcasts power. When you are silent, you force the world to interpret you, rather than explaining yourself to the world. A man who explains himself is a man who is losing. Be the void. Silence signals that you are not ruled by your emotions. It shows you are the master of the frame. People project their own fears onto a silent man. Let them. Hold the frame, and the room will bend to you. Secret number 2, the scarcity principle. If you speak often, your words are cheap. Like currency, the more you print, the less it is worth. Stop causing inflation with your mouth. The Ronin speaks once, and because he speaks once, everyone listens. Cut the chatter, cut the nervous laughter, cut the noise. When you withhold your words, you increase their value. Make them starve for your opinion. Secret number 3, the mystery advantage. People obsess over what they cannot figure out. An open book is read once and thrown away. Do not be an open book. Silence confuses your enemies. They cannot attack what they cannot locate. Be the fog. Let them grasp at air while you study their throat. The less they know about you, the more power you have over them. Mystery is the ultimate leverage. Secret number 4, presence without performance. The tiger does not roar to prove it is dangerous. The clown dances for attention. The Ronin walks unnoticed, but unforgettable. Your body speaks louder than your tongue. Shoulders back, eyes forward, breath slow. Speaking too much smells of neediness. It smells of a man begging to be validated. You do not need their validation. You are the validation. Create your own gravity. Be heavy. How do you apply this? By listening like a predator. While they are busy talking, they are revealing their cards. You are collecting ammunition. Maintain eye contact that lasts 1 second too long. It unsettles them. Before you answer, pause. Let the silence hang in the air. That pause signals that you answer on your timeline, not theirs. Listen to what they are not saying. Silence hears everything. In arguments, silence is a mirror. When they attack with words, give them nothing to hit. Be the empty air. They will scream, they will accuse, and they will exhaust themselves against your rock. Your silence forces them to hear how foolish they sound. They will start backpedaling. They will fill the silence with apologies. You won the fight without throwing a punch. That is the power of the silent man. Use it. The silent man is the dangerous man. Stop broadcasting your moves. Start executing them. Let them think you are weak until it is too late. Walk in silence. Strike in silence. Welcome to the ranks.